So this is exercise number 11. We start from the top plane, go normal to it and draw a sketch. We will draw a square of 80 by 80 units. This measure is 80. This is also 80 units measure. So exit sketch. In the same sketch, make circular protrusions on 4 corners, draw 4 circles and give relation that these 4 circles are equal in diameter. Choose circle, press and control key and hold it and say all these 4 circles are equal, so that once you will give measure to one circle, it would be implemented to others as well. So here you can see the radius is 88 and 13. So outside radius we are interested here, it is 13. Inside radius we will make later on. So this is 13 radius. So dia would be of 26 units. So this is 26 unit circles. Trim the remaining entities that you don't need. And for circular cutouts, make smaller circles here. It will save your time. So draw smaller circles of radius 8 units, mean to say 16 dia. Again choose these 4 circles and make them in relationship that they are equal and give them dia. Dia would be of 8 units. Make it single sketch by trimming the other entities that you don't need in this sketch. Exit it. So again we have taken this measure is 8 unit radius, mean to say 16 units dia. So exit the sketch. This is the base plate sketch you have on the top plane. Choose the sketch feature, extrude it by 8 units height. So this is the base plate that you have. It will fix this component to the wall or the base anywhere with the help of bolts. So now you need a H-shaped cross section on this upper face. So to do so, we draw rectangles by center, let's suppose. Here I say this is a rectangle, another rectangle is on the opposite side, and say this rectangle is exactly vertical with the origin, so that the center of this rectangle would be always in the middle. Similarly, say the center of this rectangle and this origin, they are vertical. Now give them dimensions. What would be the wall thickness? It is 9 units. Wall thickness is given to you. It is 9 units. If it is 9 units, then the thickness of the other rectangle would also be 9 units. Now you need to give measure distance between the inner sides of these rectangles. It is given to you here. How much it is? 42 units. So say it is 42 units. So now you have draw these. Okay, now to make these distances symmetrical, say distance between this inner edge of this rectangle and the origin it is half of 42. How much it should be? 21. So that evenly the other rectangle would be at a distance of 21 on the other side. So in this way you have only one dimension is required to completely define this sketch, and that is the width of this rectangle. How much it should be? It is equal to the larger diameter of this outer circle. You can see here this circle is tangent to this line, and this line is making the width or the length of this rectangle. So the larger circle, it has radius of 30 units, mean to say dia of 60 units. So you can say here this measure is of 60 units. If it is 60, the lower rectangle would also have distance of 60 units. So the sketch is now completely defined. you need to draw the inside rectangle to make it each cross section. So choose the origin as the center of this rectangle and draw this rectangle to complete your sketch. So what would be the width of this? We assume that wall thickness is uniform of this cross section. So if it is 9 units, it would also be 9 units. Trim the remaining entities. That you don't need. So in this way you have completed your each section profile on the upper face. This edge section profile you have now. You need to protrude it. How much you will protrude it? Let's suppose by 35 or 36 units and 80 units. Total it would be how much? 126 units. So choose the sketch feature, extrude it by 126 units. 116, sorry, thank you. 116 units. So you have protruded this H-shaped cross section by 116 units. Now you will make a cylinder. Then you will make cutout. Cylinder of outer dia that is equal to radius 19. So first of all we need to make a cylinder, then we will make cutouts. To make cylinder you will have a circle that would have radius of 19. Radius 19 mean its dia would be of 38 units. Now specify its location. Center of the circle and the origin, they would be always vertical. Center of the circle and the origin, they would be vertical. One relation. Second, distance from the center of the circle up to the base plate edge, this is given to you. How much it is? Here it is given 36 or 35. 36. Exit sketch. Now this sketch is available to you. Now you need to protrude it. Sketch feature, extrude it up to the surface. This one. So in this way you have a circular cylinder to make cutouts. So first we need a material, later on we will make cutouts. So now you need to make these variable cutouts. First cutout is sketch. This cutout is of radius 12. Again you will say radius 12 mean dia 24. This circle would be exactly vertical with the origin and it would have distance of 36 units from this base plate. So make a cutout of this circle, feature, extrude cut. What would be the depth of cut? It would be of 20 units. Here it is mentioned. Depth of cut with radius R12 is 20 units. So make it 20 unit depth of cut. So this is one cutout. Second cutout would be with the same center but radius of 7 units. 7 mean dia of 14 units. So you'll choose this sketch, go normal to this face and make cutout with the same center, but this time radius would be 7, diameter would be of 14 units. Exit sketch. The depth of cut of this sketch cutout, it would be of 25 units. Here it is mentioned. So we will go in feature and say extrude cut command. It is of 25 units. Later on again, on the lower face that you are seeing here, go normal to this face and make a sketch again equal to same circle 12. This is 12 circle radius or 24 dia circle and make a cutout. Remaining depth is only 25. So you can say it is through all as well. So this is a hole of variable dia, 12 radius, 7 radius and again 12 radius. Am I right? Now the upper portion. Again you need some variable cutouts, but to make cutouts you need material. So first of all make a cylinder and then make cutouts. We go normal to this face. Here draw a circle. And protrude it. So we choose this circle, sketch feature, extrude it up to the vertex, this one. You have this cylinder. Now you are able to make cutouts. How to make cutout? Go normal to this face, sketch. First cutout is of radius 20. Radius 20 mean dia 40 and depth of cut would be how much? 20 units. So choose the sketch feature, extrude cut by 20 units. Then radius changes and new radius is of 15 units. 15 mean dia is 30 units. So choose this face, go normal to it, sketch, circle. (30 unit dia), depth of cut 20 unit, choose sketch, feature, extrude cut of 20 units. To the new face generated, go normal to it and then the radius is of 9 units. Make a circle of dia 18 units. Exit sketch, sketch feature, extrude cut, say through all. So this is variable diameter hole that you have in that cylindrical protrusion, cylindrical material. Now you need the last portion, that is the upper hole, upper cavity, that you need to model it. So you will start it from the upper top face, but this is a circular protrusion, so you don't have any top face, top plane. So insert a new plane parallel to this one and say the distance would be of how much it was? 80 plus 36, 116 plus radius of this outer circle, that was 30. 116 plus 30, how much it would be? 146. 146 plus 6, how much it would be? 152. So you will say it would be new plane at a distance of 152 to the base face. So to this new plane you go normal to it and draw a circle exactly in the center. Two circles you will draw. Smaller circle would be of radius 4, dia 8 and larger circle would be of radius 8, dia 16. So this sketch is available with you on the new plane that you have inserted. You can see here on the new plane this sketch is available. Make a protrusion Actually, first we need to model the cylinder, then we will make the cutout. Material cutout would execute once you have the material. So edit it and remove the inner circle. We don't need it first. Exit it. Now you need a circle on this face, a new plane. Choose the sketch, go in feature, extrude it, and say protrude it up to the surface. Which surface? This one. So remove it. No. So discard this sketch again. We will draw it. To this new plane, go normal to it and draw a circle. This circle is of dia 16 units because radius is 8 units. Sketch feature, extrude it up to the surface, this one. Sketch feature, flip its direction. Okay. Now we have the circular protrusion. Hide this plane. We don't need it. Now we need to make a cutout in the circular protrusion. So choose sketch, circle, radius equal to 4, dia equal to 8. Exit sketch. Now this sketch is available on this upper face. You need to make a cutout, extrude cut. How much? So that you may provide lubricant inside the holes. So this is your model. Now if you want to verify whether it is exactly the same model that we are working on, go normal to this face, make a cutout by rectangle by 2 corners. Exit sketch. Sketch feature extrude cut command through all. You can see it is the exact model that we were supposed to model in 3D. So we will save it. File save as. This was our exercise 11. Make drawing from part. File. Choose your template. Front view. Side view. Top view. Isometric view. Turn the isometric view as solid part. So this was your exercise number 11.